does that mean? I have no idea.
Who needs used blood? That makes two of us.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust.
I'll get you for that stone. Yes.
No, you won't, Boomer. Because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
Run, but you can't hide. Right, Pinchy?
Pinchy's hungry.
Get back!
Come on, lady.
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.
With your help. Oh, lady, little engines can do big things.
Well done, Thomas. Well done.
Puffball! Teapot!
Oh, well. Nice time of the year for a cruise.